Hola, soy Santi.
Hi, I'm Angela.
Together we're realizing our dream of relocating to my homeland in the south of Spain.
Along with our Australian Shepherd Levi, we want to share our passion for the Mediterranean lifestyle, where the sun shines more than 320 days a year.
So if you like this video and you want to join us on our journey, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Living La Vida Costa. Today, we're in Benidorm, known as the Vegas of Europe and a favorite among Brits abroad. With its iconic skyscrapers and a history that turned it from a quiet fishing village into a bustling resort, we're exploring the streets and beaches to see if this city still lives up to the hype, and if it's a place we could see ourselves living. Let's find out. So we've made it to Benidorm. We've always wanted to come here. We've driven by at least 10 times already now. And especially after watching the iconic British show Benidorm, we needed to come here just to check it out for ourselves. Up until the 1960s, this used to be a small fishing village, but now it's known for its nightlife. Two main beaches here, Levante and Poniente. This is Poniente Beach. As you can see, it's actually a really nice beach. Wow. White sandy beaches. You can see all the iconic buildings.
Very clean.
Very clean.
That's a big beach.
Very nice beach. All the beaches that we've gone to so far in Spain, they cater to families and to children. As you can see, there's like another bouncy castle over there. A lot of water sports, water activities for kids to do here, which is great.
It's quite a gorgeous beach, actually.
Yeah,
very nice beach. Very, very.
I am very impressed.
Yeah, very nice beach. So as we sit here and we're looking out at Benador Island, the cliffs, we've never come up this area.
No.
And
well, we have. We've been to Calpe, Altea.
Yeah, but not like
Moraira.
I somewhat fell in love with Villa.
Yeah.
Villa was absolutely beautiful. It's 12 kilometers from Benidorm. You could bike here for the day if you really wanted to. The roads have bike paths. I really like this area.
Yeah.
We're going to do some talking. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what we see. So you see a little bit of the boardwalk there. And it's you can see the island. Yeah, you can see the island right under that tree.
So that is called right there. That's Benidorm Island. And there is a restaurant on there. So maybe one day we'll go there for supper.
Yeah, we have a lot to do.
Yeah, we have so much to do in this area.
Actually, for some reason, maybe it's just humidity.
Yeah.
It's not as hot.
No, it's not as warm.
Yes,
well, mind you, we're in the shade right now, so.
That's what we're going to be riding.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, that is total Benidorm, the movie. Oh, there we go again.
Double.
That was, if you've seen Benidorm in the movie, or not the movie, the series, that is the grandma.
Yeah. But no, definitely well worth the trip.
Yeah.
Good call.
So this is our little snack.
We ate. We had truly Spanish Southern meal.
Yeah. We had some tapas.
We had jamón serrano, queso manchego, alioli y pan. Y por supuesto,
dos cervezas.
Dos cañitas.
Sí.
Y estamos en...
Just, you guys probably think that all we do is drink beer.
God, no.
But we do drink a lot of water. We don't drink pop, hardly any pop, ever.
We don't drink pop.
And so the next best thing is beer. Yeah, we drink a little bit of wine, but that's usually at supper. But mostly beer during the day. Keep us hydrated.
Yeah. I don't want you guys all thinking that. I know I make a lot of jokes about beer, but we really don't.
No, we don't. And like, you have to understand, a canita is like a small little beer. So it's like half a can. And you have to realize, because it gets so hot here, if you order a big beer, within like 2 minutes, your beer is going to be really warm. And I don't know about you, but I like a cold beer.
Ditto.
Ditto.
we've walked, what, maybe a K and a half since we've parked?
Busy beach.
Oh, this is busy. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to walk towards a little bit of the old town.
Yeah.
What is it with the scooters? They're everywhere.
Yeah. Let's cross the street.
I get hit by a car or by a bike.
Cyclist.
Or a scooter.
Or a scooter. Imagine that, getting hit by a scooter.
Look at this, I got zip lines for kids. What the heck?
Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Oh my gosh, okay, we want grandbabies so we can take your kids here.
Look at this. Safety standards in North America would not allow this.
No, they'd have knee pads, elbow pads, a helmet.
And somebody to supervise.
Yeah, for sure. And with a whistle.
And a half-hour course on how to do it safely.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And you have to pass the test or you can't do it.
Yeah. I love Spain because they have all these workout stations everywhere. No matter where you go in Spain, there's all these little workout stations.
Yes,
right?
it's for old people.
Very Spanish.
For old people like me.
Show us how one of these work, hon.
Here we go.
Oh, I love
Stairmaster.
that. Stairmaster.
Oh, Stairmaster.
Watch your knees, dude. Watch your knees.
Kind of weird.
Those knees, those joints.
It's not very smooth. I feel like I'm riding a horse. Okay, next one. Here we go.
Okay, this one.
What is this?
Let's both go on it.
Oh, okay. This is the twister.
Twist it.
Come on, baby, did twist last night like we did last summer.
And then this one?
I'm not doing that one.
I'll do that one.
Yeah.
What is it? Okay.
You sit on it. Oh, he's
gonna show us. No? Okay. What do you do?
Just pull back. I don't know. Okay, let me see if I can
Pretend
figure
workout?
Yeah, here we go.
Okay.
I think it's rested.
Oh, is it? Yeah, like, I think it's broken.
Yeah, this one broke.
And then this thing, you just spinny thing.
And this is, oh, you know what this is? This is practice driving a truck.
Yeah, okay. With one hand. Woo!
Okay, that's it. I'm done.
Oh, I love all the palm trees.
Looks like, okay, they all have the same, oh, those are rentals.
Yeah, rentals.
I was going to say they're all the same.
Yeah, so it looks like sombreros, so $6 for the day. So the chair is $6 and $6 for the umbrella. So 12 euros for the day to rent the chair and the umbrella.
Walk in the shade. Yeah, like I said.
Apartments. Very cute.
Hotel.
Oh, it's a hotel. Hotel Montemar.
It's a hotel, but everybody, I guess, long term.
Wow. Very nice.
No, I do like I said, I don't know if I'd live here, but.
Yeah. For sure, we can come. We'll come visit. Ooh. There's a dove.
Okay, I guess those are rentals.
When doves fly.
We're going to rent one.
Yeah. We'll have a race.
You know what they say, when in Rome.
When in Rome. What happens in Benidorm stays in Benidorm. So far it's clean. I like what I see. I mean, mind you, we're here during the day. That could be another story during the night.
And of course, you know what Santi's looking for?
Running stuff.
Short shorts.
Athletic gear.
Short
because
shorts.
You're in Spain, hun, so you know that they sell short shorts.
Short
Ooh,
shorts.
Those are actually really nice.
Are they like short shorts?
Yeah.
How much?
And we're gonna get him this t-shirt, España, for 5 euros. That's insane.
Okay, I don't know how much these are. You able to reach in there? No price?
It's free. 15. Okay, you're getting them.
Those black ones?
Yeah. Those are large. Yep. Why don't you get the gray as well? Oh,
There's no. It's extra large. I could push it, but.
No, you've lost weight since you've been here.
No, but it's
Yes, you
okay.
have.
I'll get them. Okay.
Canada has better running shoes.
Yeah, it's just I haven't found a store here yet.
So if you know a store in Spain
maybe.
that sells
Really good running shoes
really
for
good running shoes for a
big
man
fat boys like me.
that runs 5 to 10K a day, let us know. So 12 euros for a pair of shorts and a t-shirt. I don't think you can get any cheaper than that.
What I'm looking for though.
Unless you're shopping at Decathlon.
Oh, this is where all the people are coming to get their
Pollo Express.
pollos, conejos. There's rabbits they serve.
Rabbits? Supermarket. Just to give you an idea how much apartments cost in Benidorm.
So $149, and you're basically almost on the beach. 20 meters from the one bathroom.
We love doing this every time we come to a new city, eh?
Oh, it gives us an idea.
Prices of apartments and houses.
Yeah, it gives us an idea. Yeah. Hello, folks. Any experts on the Benidorm show, the old British show? Tell me, is that the pool and bar right there?
No, I don't think so. It looked more like a resort type of thing in the show.
Well, I think it was well, yeah. That would be funny if that was it. We found it, Mateo. We got you, Mateo. Ya lo tenemos. Benidorm was beyond our expectations. Glad we came. We didn't get to see Poniente Beach, and we didn't get to see the nightlife, restaurants, and the interior of the city. But after today's visit, it's a definite return to Benidorm for us. Thank you for watching.